Hello everyone, this is Unit 4 Lesson 7, Create Performance Task. Today's question is, what makes you instantly smile? We will focus on housekeeping, independent work time, and review. For housekeeping, there is no mastery notes. Assignment is to focus on create performance tasks. Do your grades reflect the career you strive for? You still have 1 week to turn it all around. Would anyone like to come after school for extra help? Please let Mr. Mosley and I know. Please remember that this Saturday we have AP Prep from 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. If you're part of that group, you have already been notified. Today we will start working on our coding grade performance task. We are focusing on instructions, lists, and define in the program. And then next class it will be sequencing, selection, and iteration. So make sure to watch this video of why we do AP Computer Science principles. It's important to stop and reflect. Even though a lot of things are happening, it's important to reflect on where we are. Why are you in AP Computer Science principles? What does CS mean for you? Truth is, currently there is less than 10% of people of color in STEM careers. Without knowing, you are changing stats by taking this class. Stop being afraid. Grades are a step, but they don't define you. We all have failed before. No one is perfect, so don't give up. We are really here for you. Now, what are the requirements for the Create Performance task? What I want you to do is to make sure that you look into this checklist. It directs you to a hyperlink. And the checklist is just a perfect way for you to be able to keep track of everything that is required for you for the performance task. Today we will work on instructions, lists, and defining these in your program. Now, I am lost. Where do I start? First of all, what is your program about? What's the storyline? What's the purpose? Step 2, what coding platform are you choosing? Are you choosing Snap, Replit, Scratch, whatever you're most comfortable with? Then start coding. I know there's a checklist, or disregard the checklist and focus on creating your code. And then from there, once you have created your code, start using the checklist to make sure your code goes with the requirements. So then you'll be able to see, do you have the requirements that it requires, that is expected of you? And then after that, you could actually edit from there. Last but not least, you copy and paste your code into the document. So this is also a hyperlink. You click on it and it directs you to this. And each one is labeled for you to copy that piece of the code to go with the name. Perfect. So independent work time, I am doing lists and Mr. Mosley is doing instructions. And of course, if you still need a refresher memory, let's say you're doing Snap, this is a video on that. And then let's say you're doing Scratch, there's a video on lists on Scratch.
Are you looking for a tutorial?
What is your coding confidence level? Are you still lost, meaning a 1 or 5? You are ready. Any questions, please make sure to email Mr. Mosley and I, and we will be very happy to help you. Have a good day.